Get in the final countdown here, Crossroads Hobby. Main course is laid out. You see multiple different lines. Like 8 placement, driver skill, another guy. Probably at the 90% complete rate. Still got to finish the waterfall feature, the water feature. Different sections. This will be an awesome course, guys. Everybody come on, check this out. Crossroads Hobby is open Monday through Sunday, every day of the week. River Place, Franklin, Michigan. Main entrance right off the main parking lot. Course is always open. Little fun competitions on the weekends and Saturdays. Drift course is opening up. All done. Rally / drift. Alright, man. Check out Crossroads Hobby on Facebook. Like it, share it. Come visit us in Frankenmuth.